going on, Jets? Another day, another trade recap, man. This is day 2 of me documenting trading one model, one session, NASDAQ and the US 30 or the Dow Jones until the month ends. And after that, I'll have maybe a bit of data, or data, whatever you want to call it, to know that my system works. Well, I already know that it works. I'm just doing it for the fun of it before I get a platform account that I'll trade the same model every single day should a chance present itself. So yeah, going into the day on NASDAQ, man, it was pretty simple for me. I marked out this high. Well, this was the previous day's high. I marked it out, and I also marked out this high because by the time I was awake, both daily highs were kind of swept. I was like, okay, going into the day, then it's going to be pretty simple for me because I'll be targeting either the low of this day, or if price decides to do a miracle, it will distribute to this low. But I knew that was not going to happen. So the low that I was eyeing was this one right here. Sharp. After that, I went on the 4-hour time frame. I think. Did I go on the 4-hour or the hourly? No, I think I went on the hourly time frame. Yeah, let me remove this. This was the previous day high, right? Let me do it again right here. That's the previous day high. Previous day high. And then center it. No problem. And then this high that was swept there, the Dow Jones failed to take out that high. So as we took it out on NQ, we failed to take it out on the Dow Jones, giving me an SMT divergence. So NAS had an SMT divergence with the Dow Jones index. Centered as well. SMT W with clean. And then we also had this bullish 5-value gap that was inversed, giving me an hourly inverse 5-value gap right here. H1 inverse 5-value gap, centered, beautiful, right there. And then going into the day, man, I obviously wanted to see price retracing back into this PDRA because we were already like shorting heavily. So I wanted to see price going back into this PDRA so that I can short from it into this low that was made right there. And we kind of also had this bullish 5-value gap right here on the hourly time frame. So this was a good take profit area for the shorts that I wanted to take, because we have the previous day low there, we have this low there. I think these were London lows, and we also have this hourly gap that shows how we might get a reaction from it. Clean, no problem. Well, let me highlight my lows again. This one right here, and this one right here, I think, or this one, either or, man, it doesn't really matter. Let me highlight both of them. They look like relative equal lows, but yeah. Then after that, I went on the 1-minute time frame. When market opened, we rallied quickly up to around this time. You can see it was the market opened here on that candle. I was waiting for price to tap that inversion 5-value gap. Then after that, I wanted price to give me another inversion 5-value gap on the 1-minute time frame, right? And on the 1-minute time frame, I indeed got that inversion 5-value gap. Okay, it's like cool. I have my inversion 5-value gap. Then I wanted to short, obviously, because I've been wanting shorts to distribute to that hourly PSE and the hourly lows and the previous day low as well. So I entered my shorts on this candlestick with obviously my stops above this high, just above that. I think my stops were like 26, 27 pips, somewhere around there. And I was targeting, oh, this low was also a beautiful draw. They look like, are they, okay, let me minimize. that low as well looked like a really good take profit area or a partial area, than here than there ultimately. But yeah, so let's just use this one for the sake of. And you can see, man, price just went in a bit of profit, close to, I don't know, it wasn't even a 1-to-1. Then it rallied up to take me out right there, and we consolidated for a long time, and price finally decided to distribute at this point in time, and I was already out of the trade. And I think I would have hit break even or even closed the trade had I not set my stop loss where I set it, because this was an annoying long time of waiting in a trade, and I don't like waiting that long. So yeah, man, I hit 27 pips as of today. Yesterday I closed 130 pips, meaning for the week we are still up 100 pips, still profitable, and we'll see how the model performs tomorrow as well. See you again, Jets. First long video.